Ladies and gentlemen, I am StooDogg. The YouTube spam epidemic, much like the real-life coronavirus epidemic, is everywhere. These spammer accounts, formerly known as Traptown, and then known as Tyler W, Tyler Winters, have moved on and changed their name to Timer, and then Tem, and then Tim. Who knows what's next? However, at the same time, something that seems to be running concurrently with this is that they are doing a Mrbeast scam. Now, I'm not entirely sure of the details on this one, but looking over things in the past, it would seem that there have been previous Mrbeast scams involving giveaways, involving fake giveaways for iPhones, involving an odd situation where a man destroyed his own computer because Mrbeast had contacted him and told him to do so, and after destroying his computer, Mrbeast would fund the acquisition of a new one. This ultimately proved to be absolutely false, a fiction created by a fake Twitch account in the name of Mrbeast. However, our Mrbeasts that are connected with the Tim Traptown scam seem to be engaged in some kind of a giveaway scam. Now, I've received comments in my comment section from someone who had actually given their information to the scammer, had been in contact with them, and had been waiting for his $10,000 that Mrbeast was going to give him. Sufficing to say, that $10,000 never materialised. However, the scammer on the other end now has this person's personal information. To what end, I do not know. Are they going to start displaying that personal information on the side of a YouTube account, much like my email address has been displayed by XimerTracks? I don't know. Something that I'd be quite concerned about would be the malicious money giveaway scam taking place. That is where someone wins money. However, it's not a win. Essentially what has happened is that by providing their personal information to a scammer, the scammer has opened a bank account or created a bank loan in this person's name, and then the scammer has taken money from the loan. So say, for example, a lottery to win $15,000. The scammer would take out a bank loan for $20,000, and then he'd take 5 and run away, and leave you with 15, and leave you paying the monthly interest, fees and charges back into the loan. So that is something to watch out for, ladies and gentlemen. Do not just be cavalier and hand over your financial information to some random on the internet, because that is something that will only end up badly for you, and the person on the other end will gain more than you ever will. Anyway, it appears that this Mrbeast is engaging in a similar type of comment spam that the other accounts have, because imaginative. So my advice, as usual, report the comments, delete the comments, and block the accounts that gave you them. I'd also advise to maybe take screenshots and copy the links and email them to, I presume that Mrbeast, being a large YouTuber, is a company of some kind, so send the information to his company, because that is a trademark infringement, and companies need to act to defend their trademark. So when they are made aware of such an infringement, they have to act on it. So Mrbeast as a company will take down any accounts legally by going through the courts if they have to. But ladies and gentlemen, on Twitter, Mrbeast has said that do not believe any giveaways or any information pertaining to giveaways unless they come from one of his official accounts, e.g. his personal YouTube or his Twitter account. Anything you see anywhere else, or just anecdotally from Mrbeast, verify it through the official channel to ensure that it's true. Otherwise it's fake. And if something is too good to be true, most often it is. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been StooDogg. If you like this video, if you like me, you can hit the like button and you can subscribe to the channel for more information. My channel is approaching 1,000 subscribers, so if you'd like to subscribe and help me towards that goal, then that would be much appreciated, and in return you will be repaid with videos like this one, where I essentially just spread scam and spam awareness and general safety and security information to help you. I recently released a video about the identity theft being committed by the XimerTracks accounts and the Tyler scammer that is connected to Mrbeast. So I thoroughly recommend that you give that video a watch. I'll link it in the description sections and in the comments down below so you can find it. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, if you choose to watch that video, you will see me there. Either way, I hope you have an excellent day, and I'll catch you later. See ya.